Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK with another video. And this video we're going to talk about how to make intro for your YouTube channel. It's pretty easy and simple. You have to go to your web browser and type Baljit Johal. You're going to click open. When you're going to make an intro, you need to click on a clip maker. Then over here, there's a couple. You can choose one of them, or you can click here. It says more creations. You can click on it. You can choose the way you want it. It have all kind of options here. So simply to just to show, I'm gonna click this one. Then I'm going to say open in clip maker. You're going to take a couple seconds to load. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to check how it'll look like, if I will be like this one or not. So simply I'm going to click on this eye icon and play. It will play in front of me and see. Okay, if I like this one, I'm going to change it. So I have to pause it. To edit, first I'm going to go to click on here. It says basics. I'm going to click on it. There's the basics, the output, what I going to be video resolution, and here the length, how long the clip I need is. So actually it'll pretty desired for my needs. It's like about 10 seconds. So then I will go to here is the objects. I will click on it. There's all the objects come on. So simply when I will go over here, it says group name. Actually this one have a double name, like it's a 3D shape. So there is text 1 and text 2. So I'm gonna click on text. I'm gonna change here whatever I need it. So like say my channel name is JK, so I'm gonna click J, or I can do space or without space. Either way, I'm gonna do JK and click here. Then I'm gonna click to the other name, then change it over here JK. I'm gonna click here. There's a lot of other settings you can change. You can change color if you want, length, height. Simply I'm gonna go to here. If the height, I'm gonna put a 40. And same thing I have to do with the other one. I'm gonna put 40 over here too. So once you have the numbers, you have to click here somewhere to just load the settings, whatever you have done. Otherwise the settings not gonna be overwrite. So now let's see. I'm gonna play my clip how it look like. So here it go. That gonna be look like. So like say you can change, you can use the other clip. If you like it, then you're gonna stop again. Then we're gonna go over here. Over here it says download. I'm gonna click on download. I'm gonna say start video render. I'm gonna click on. It's gonna take a couple seconds. It will like make a video file. It will compress all our whatever I have made in a video file. To save some time, I will be fast forwarding video from here until it get downloaded. It's gonna take about like a minute. Another thing, you don't need any account, or you don't need to log in to make a small clip or something. But if you want to do some professionally, you can go ahead and make your account. You can also pay and do more stuff on it, and you can log in as a member. But otherwise, if you want to make it just your intro for just 1 or 2 times, I believe you don't need any login, or you don't need any account. So after it compressed the video and this clip and a video, so now we're gonna have a next option. It says download your video. I'm gonna click on download. It's downloading here. It's gonna take a couple seconds. Then it will appear over here. Okay, now it says what you want to do. You want to save it, open it. So basically I want to save it, but I'm going to say save as, so I can save somewhere where I know. So I'm going to save it at desktop. I'm going to say JK new intro. save it, and I'm gonna say open folder. It says over here JK new intro. Let's go to, I'm gonna close it. I don't need it. So I'm gonna click on JK new intro, see how it look like. So here we go. That's gonna look like I have a music and everything inside. Or if you wanna add it, you can add it in other video editors. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.